Hello, good afternoon. We've been sent a Dashcam to review, and as I've said before, we don't accept everything that is offered to us. We only accept what we would like to review and use. So this is a Dashcam, and this is from a company called Vantrue. It's called the Element 3, meaning it's got 3 cameras. So basically you've got one camera at the front, and in that camera it faces into the cab as well, so it gives you that little element of security. It watches what's going on whilst you're busy driving. And I guess for us as recording goes, vloggers, we can record and drive safely at the same time without having to use cameras and hands off of wheels and so on. And also there's a camera for the back, so that's an added benefit. 3 cameras, good coverage, and I'll open up the box and see what's inside. So what we've got, that is the camera for the front. So it's quite a little jazzy piece of kit. So you've got forward facing, rear facing, then it's got its mounts and its C charger. So that's the front camera. There is a little controller. They call that a panic button. So if anything happens, you can press it and it starts saving the recordings. So that's a pretty nifty little thing, but you know, you just got to make sure that you put it near where you're driving. What are the goodies have we got? And I'm going to guess in here, Christmas. Cable charger, that's 11 foot long, so that's pretty good. You know, the socket's normally on the dashboard, so plenty there to hide it behind the windscreen. And then that's the rear cable. It's quite thick, but what I'm going to do with this one is route it on the outside. No point chopping it through the van. It's thick, it's heavy duty, and it's actually 20 foot long. So yeah, 7 meters. So yeah, your 7 meter van. So we're 6 meters, so that should work, he says. But we'll see. You can buy extensions, but yeah, we'll give that one a go. Happy days. And the actual camera itself, the rear view camera, it's in here, little dirty thing. Now I'm assuming normally this would fit inside a vehicle behind the glass. So I just need to double check, is it or can it be used externally, or does it need to be sheltered in a housing? I don't know, do you? And this is the little teeny rear view camera. The installation guide says to stick it on the inside of your rear windshield. We haven't got one. Like most motorhomes, it's usually sort of a closed off rear end and so forth. So it doesn't appear to be waterproof, so it will be subject to the elements. So I'll probably have to look at some form of waterproof housing, or perhaps a cover similar to the reversing cam we've got. I don't know. It's going to be an adapt and overcome, but that's one thing I've picked up straight away with this. On the downside, it assumes you've got glass on the front and back of your vehicle. I don't think there's nothing you can do really. Whatever way you put it, it's not going to fit, is it? It's got to be fitted on glass. Very important as well, if you're recording, let them know what you're up to. Not many UK ones come with that. And that's about it, what comes in the box. They also send you an additional lead. This little USB to C is for when you want to transfer your files off of the camera. That's, you know, what you've recorded, to transfer from your camera to your computer. So they seem to have given you everything. The only thing you've got to add yourself is a SD card. And as I mentioned, the little button that they send you, that's it. It comes with a little sticky pad. You can activate it by just going. So the battery now is operated. I've just removed the little tab. And what that does, it starts recording when you press it. If you come across something you need to record, because a dash cam will constantly loop and keep on overwriting itself, this, once you press it, will lock that file. So that file will never be overwritten until you choose to do so manually. So if you have a bump, click that and everything is saved. And the other thing, it comes with an app. You can link it to Wi-Fi and all sorts. You can download an app so you can transfer images, but I'll run through that a little bit once I've got it all set up. But basically that's what's in the box. Looks pretty impressive so far. The front lens is wide angle, and yeah, let's see how we go. So thanks to Vantrue Element 3 for sending us this absolutely fantastic dash cam. It really does give clear images for front and into the cab. And at night it'll go into black and white mode, so it still picks up what you're up to and also what's happening outside. It really does give such high quality images, and it gives you a 160-degree angle view from the front, so that's quite a large area compared to many other cameras. The views it gives are, as we've said, front, interior and rear. I've yet to fit the rear camera because it's not waterproof, so what we're going to do is look at some form of housing or something that will give us that element, because this camera is too good not to add that to it, and it's a keeper for us.
Now we go live to Gerald's farm.
The other features it has are, it comes with a 18-month guarantee and 30-day return to base, so if you're not happy with it you can send it back. One of the interesting features of this, it's got voice control, so it makes everything a bit easier and hands-free. So for example, if you've got the voice control activated, you can ask it to take a picture, turn on the Wi-Fi, and what the Wi-Fi does, it links to an app on your phone, so you can actually control it and download images straight from there without having to take out the SD card. It'll take up to a 512 gigabyte SD card, but again it just overwrites once you've done it, but it depends on how long or how. And I think, you know, a dash cam is a really good idea to have because it can record every part of your journey, and one of the main things is safety. If you have a bump or an incident and you want to retain the footage, because you can get discount with insurance companies, it can make a claim a lot easier to process, and you do hear of incidents where you get crash for cash, people lying down in front of your vehicle or jumping out in front of you on purpose. This is, you know, a really good thing to have, particularly with the clear quality. It'll pick up number plates. It really is an all-round good little bit of kit. And the fact you've got the inward-facing camera, if somebody approaches you from the side or is shouting through the window, at least then that's recorded as well. So for me, it records us, it records the outside. The only thing we've got to do is just add the camera for the back, and that's it. We've pretty much got all-round security on our van, protecting us and anything we might come across. So that's a little bit of peace of mind.
So Vantrue have given us the opportunity to give you guys one of their products. You've got a chance to win the Vantrue E1, which is the baby brother of the one we've just reviewed. All you need to do, give the video a thumbs up, just leave us a comment that says, "Make me a winner," and we will add you into our draw, which we will do next week, and Vantrue will send you a shiny new E1. So good luck, guys. I said we like this product. It's very good. It's definitely a high quality product, and we think Vantrue products are excellent. Don't miss this chance to be a winner. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.